Akiaria na andĩki a mohoro kanini augĩte arahonokire gĩkuũ cia Rera kuona arĩa maramũrũmĩrĩire na ngari igĩrĩ mararĩ na mĩcinga na aragunirwo nĩ kũrĩra nduka-inĩ ĩmwe mwena wa Kasuku.
Hao sio wahuni, hao walikuwa maafisa wa polisi, walikuwa na bunduki kubwa, kwa sababu wale ambao watu waliwaona na kisia kwamba mtawauliza maafisa 10 ama zaidi ya 10 ambao walikuja, walikuwa wametufuata na walikuwa wanataka kuniua tukiwa na driver wangu, lakini Mungu akatulinda na tukapata nafasi ya kutoroka, nikawekwa kwa nyumba na msamaria mwema, na ndio sababu sasa niko hapa kuandikisha habari.
Augĩte andũ acio nĩ marehumbĩkĩte ũthiũ, akĩongerera atĩ ona maguoyo hiyo no makarangĩra kura cia DCP wa kana kiumia gĩkĩ mwena wa Olkalau.
Na kama mnafikiria kwamba mtatushtua sisi tukose kulinda kura zetu, tumetafuta hizi kura kwa zaidi ya siku 60 na hatutasimama, hatutasitisha, ama hakuna wakati itafika tukose kuenda kulinda kura zetu. Mimi Honorable Mukoji, Honorable Jane Kahara, hatutoki hapa Olkalau, tutalinda kura zetu.
Seneta wa Kiambu Karũngo wa Thang'wa augĩte matirĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ borithi nĩ magwĩka ũtuĩria o wothe, no nginya mangĩandĩkithirie ndũmĩrĩri.
We don't trust them because we don't know whether they are part of the scheme. We don't know whether they are part of the plan, but we are just doing it for the record, so that when this government goes, because any crime that has been committed never expires.
Mũmbunge wa Naivasha Jane Kĩhara na mũrunawe wa Manyata Gĩtonga Mũkũnji maugĩte he bata maobitha a borithi arĩa makahũthĩka kũiga ũgitĩri hĩndĩ ya ithurano cia Olkalau magakorwo na nguo ciao cia wĩra nĩguo gwĩthema mĩkora kwĩhithania nao.
We are removing our number plate because we have to do it, because wanatuwinda kama swara na tumesema sitakaa hapa, wakitaka kutuua watuue, lakini for what really? If Kanini Kega's driver angesinzia kidogo, we'll be talking about something else.
The biggest threat ya free and fair election in Olkalau and in the general election is plainclothes police officers, unidentifiable, na wale watu wanatumia manamba zile haziko, magari ambazo hazina namba. Mimi, I can clearly say that this election and the people of Olkalau are very peaceful.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyandarua, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Simon Ngure.